My neighbor lived in front of my house, in a two-story house in the neighborhood. The trunk. They were a couple of young people with their two children, Leila and Alejandro. Two very little children, but we want money because they were very keen like their parents, Monica and Julian. Monica was housewife, was an exemplary woman who loved her family very much. Julian was a very cordial and generous neighbor with her neighbors. Every year in December we paint the street with Julian and other neighbors. We always support others in the general day. We're excellent neighbors.